In this video, I'm going to show you how to make vegan split pea stew. Did you know that only 1 cup of cooked dried peas provides you with 65% of your daily fiber? This stew is oil and salt-free, and it's full of anti-cancer and immune-boosting ingredients. Here are the ingredients you'll need. I'll leave them in the description below and also say them throughout the video. First, rinse 2 cups of dried split peas. Add your split peas to a big soup pot, along with 7 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of Better Than Bouillon, 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Stir this mixture. And bring this mixture to a boil. Once your soup is boiling, turn the heat down to low and simmer this covered for 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. While you're waiting, chop your veggies: 3 mushrooms, 3 carrots, 4 stalks of celery, and 1 onion. When the timer goes off, add 2 cloves of garlic, all your chopped veggies, and give this a stir. Bring this mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down to low. Cover the soup and simmer for 25 minutes. While you're waiting, chop 4 cups of packed spinach. When the timer goes off, add in your spinach. Stir this mixture and try to find the bay leaf. Throw it away. Now add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now stir the final product. The stew will thicken over time.